Hey everybody, welcome back. We have a real special event about to take place. I'll be honest with you, wasn't real keen on the idea, but I was kind of forced into it, so I'm going to do it. And hopefully, in the end, it'll pay off. But I am accompanied by Tim. How do you say your last name? Custom. Tim Custom. I can actually pronounce his last name. At least I think I can. And there he is. So we're gonna. This is something that he's a regular to. I am not. I hadn't done this ever. I've never done this.
Well, build a model.
I'm just saying, just out of the box. But what we're gonna paint them anyway. We're gonna take these two kits, and we're about to start building. We're basically just gonna build them completely out of the box. I am gonna paint my box.
No.
Okay, no, that's right, because he's got some custom wheels. Anyway,
yeah,
we're gonna. I mean, how do you even do it? Do you time it, or do you just do it? We're just gonna build.
Okay, we're gonna have two models built tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna build these two tonight. This is mine, the Corvette, and his is the '55 Cameo.
It's in the wonderful shade of yellow.
It is, yeah. So we're gonna get started on these. I'm gonna use some Tamiya paint on mine because
it's tomato paint.
Tomato paint on mine because it dries so fast, and we gotta hurry. May put some 3D printed wheels, maybe a 3D printed engine in it. Right. I don't know. We're going to do something, but anyway, we're going to finish this tonight. What time is it?
What time is it?
7:17.
7:17. Perfect.
There's Joseph right there.
7:17.
7:17. All right. So we're going to work on these till we get done. So, ready?
Yeah, we'll have some updates.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, Matthew's gone straight into professional land and actually has pipettes, gloves, and paint. He thinks he's got something going on here, but we'll have to see.
Oh, look at this. He's going to paint.
Airbrush, yes.
I just can't not have paint.
Yeah, this is, I don't know if this is an approved technique. Go like in circles. I don't think I'm going to paint. I brought paint, actually. We'll see. I don't need one of them fancy airbrushes. Stay tuned.
All right, so we're getting some progress.
I'm trying to use this MCV products, and
he's got sticky fingers, guys. Got to be careful with Tim Custom around.
It seems like this always happens.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I'm trying. I did get my body painted, and it fish-eyed like crazy because I obviously didn't put a primer or nothing on there. And he's putting some.
Just washed it.
He's putting some. Oh, you use that cheap glue?
Oh, this is all I use.
That's actual super glue though. It's like the Chinese pirated super glue.
No, this is actually a name brand. This is the original.
The one the guy with the hard hat would be holding.
Sure.
Okay. Well, anyway, he's doing some 3D tires and wheels.
Yeah, we have a problem here. You can look at this.
Well, I got a Dremel and all that stuff.
Oh, we got.
Okay. All right. So he's going to try and fit those in there.
Yeah, we're going
to. All right. At least that's stalling him out a little bit because I'm not getting anywhere fast. All right.
We haven't spilt any glue.
No. So. I got a little paint on my finger.
Oh.
Usually gloves are meant for your hand. Are you already painted the tires black? Oh, that's not black.
Tomato black.
Oh, okay.
Tomato color.
Yeah. Okay. All right, hour into this thing. How you feeling?
Oh, great.
Great. He's already broke out some specialty tools.
Sure.
He's done robbed some 3D parts. He picked those seats, right?
Yeah. No, your son did. And my steering wheel is tilt, obviously.
There it is.
Yeah, this is not.
So I got my engine pretty much put together, the chassis, and I got my body painted. And he brought up I painted it silver, and he's like, "You need to candy that thing." So I candied the body right there, and he's got his wheels inside here. So that's 1 hour in. And is that tool of yours like a secret?
No.
Okay, we might show that in the next segment or two.
Secret. Here's some secret.
He's got this tool. It's an ultrasonic cutter. It's amazing. It's dead silent, and it just melts right through plastic. It doesn't melt. It just cuts. Anyway, I'll show you later.
This was cut once, measure none.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, so
Because
anyway.
we're gonna do some more.
Yeah. All right, be right back. We have some entertainment coming.
Sure. This
Yeah.
is not entertainment.
Well, you know what I mean. Secondary entertainment. All right, you ready? Ready?
Sure. What are we saying?
I don't know. You're Tim Custom. You should know. You've got all kind of model car stories to tell. Tell us
Okay.
about it.
Okay. I think we're at. Hold on.
We start at 7:17.
It is 9:33.
So 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Yeah, and I think we did pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to applaud you. You did a candy paint job.
Yeah.
That is
right.
pretty awesome.
All right.
So
Ready?
look at
Ready?
the stuff. This is what we did.
Look at this.
2 models complete.
2 hours and 15 minutes.
And those are 2 custom models. Total.
That is pretty cool. Oh, you painted your blower. I didn't even realize that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's got MCV products wheels, tires.
Raceline nitros.
Yeah,
That
what
would
number
be
is that?
W11.
There you go. It has seats, steering wheel,
Oh yeah.
and
We don't have any glass yet, but we're working on that.
well, I think I have one final modification that it needs.
So he's got aftermarket seats,
Oh, and I'm very proud of the
Steering wheel.
tonneau cover.
tonneau cover.
Yeah, we can talk about that.
Yeah.
It was actually from the box,
Yep.
so
Turned out nice.
and yeah, that I mean you chromed out your vet and
And then the vet's got
it's blown. You got to have
fully bare metal foiled.
no maybe,
But it does have a candy paint job. My first successful candy paint job.
in 2
And,
hours, less than 2 hours.
You know what? The difference is, like, I tried it before and I was trying to make it look right and I failed. This time I didn't really care. Kind of turned out okay.
Maybe you just gotta like
Yeah.
let it flow.
So anyway, we got the blown uh-oh. I don't know if the hood will open or not.
Did your body fall off?
Anyway, the hood, well, anyway, it's got a supercharged big block Chevy. This was a real turd of a kit.
Yeah, both of them are.
Yeah,
to some degree.
It's got enough flash you could build 2 models out of it. But, you know, that's modeling, right? I didn't do anything extra. It's all out of the box. But, you know, oh, I thought it looked funny because I could see through the head. Oh, no, that's a mirror. Okay, I thought I could see through there. That's actually, I thought it was a hole.
I didn't black that out.
Okay.
We weren't thinning grills in 2 hours.
No. So, no,
It was more about.
Looks good. Honestly, I love the blower. That looks so cool.
And it actually has 2.
It's a double blower.
Yeah, this is the same part that I used.
Off of his sand drag car.
No, snow blower rickshaw.
Oh, this wasn't off of the sand drag car?
No, this was
These
from
weren't the blowers from that?
Yeah,
Okay.
leftovers from that. And
You asked me if I watched that video.
Probably not.
Well.
Nobody watches this stuff, so.
It fits well onto that small block Chevy, too.
It probably needs some belts, but that's okay. We'll do that next.
Fits real good on the small block Chevy. I mean, actually, it looks like it's made for it.
And then we cut the hole. So
Yeah, and the ultrasonic cutter. Can we
Yeah,
do
yeah,
a quick
yeah.
segment on that?
yeah, let's talk about that.
You got something besides my Edsel to cut on?
Oh. Yeah, we both used it.
Where's... Let's see.
Yeah, this maybe the axle. Okay.
All right, so this thing is an ultrasonic. You can't even hear it. It makes no sound. Actually, I thought it was off. Watch this.
Throw the parts around.
So
We don't want to cut our fingers off.
it's got a little blade. Looks like a little X-Acto blade on it. Yeah. It's got. Yep. Is it on right now?
Yeah, it's ready to cut.
Okay, go ahead.
And that's some pretty heavy plastic. I just cut it.
It just like it literally like melts through it. It's so weird.
That's some
But
pretty
it's not
heavy duty.
It's not
plastic.
hot.
I'm not going to touch the blade.
But you can't.
If you want
can't
to
even
cut
feel
yourself,
it. Have you like, if you, but you got to hold this. Do you have to hold that?
Yeah, that's when it's on.
You can't even feel it. It's like making no. It just. It just goes right through. It's like if you. It's like it does melt it. It's so
kinda-
weird because it
yeah.
makes no heat.
Yeah.
But it cuts through just like if it melted. But he cut his well, we won't show that. But anyway, he cut his wheel wells
No, let's
out.
demonstrate.
Okay.
I got one more modification I think this needs. We'll take
Oh,
the hood
okay,
off.
okay. We got one more modification.
Because you gave me this kit, or said I needed to build this because you said that the glass doesn't fit.
Yeah,
and we
half
didn't
the-
put the glass in it.
most
So
of the time the
I
glass
think I
doesn't
had
fit.
one more cool modification for
Okay.
it.
All right, let's do it.
Here, let's get that out of the way. Should I put my glasses on? Probably not.
Just watch out for that.
Yeah, we're not going to cut the Edsel. Be careful of the Edsel. So, I'm just...
It does make a
Yeah,
high pitch
nice.
sound.
There goes that. We'll do this one next. Zip.
Oh, you're doing the front one too. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's 40,000 hertz.
That's what it says, I think.
40,000 hertz, and your electricity is 60 hertz per second.
And
So
they
this
have
is
these things,
40,000. This is amazing.
and they have these as battery operated ones, which are a little bit more expensive. But I like the one with the cord on
Yeah,
it.
it's just got looks like a cell charger cord.
And we're gonna just.
All right.
Oh, now it's like way better.
Okay, cool.
All right, we'll set that down. And get these old Corvette parts out. And I need to put the windshield on.
Mm-hmm.
And now we got a Roadster pickup.
Okay, roadster pickup.
Total custom.
That is. Made it look even lower. Honestly, when you took the top off, it made it look slammed.
Okay. Well, let's see. Where did I put the windshield? It's in the box, I think.
This is probably the windshield that actually fit.
Yeah. Oh, there's no windshield in here. That's
Is it-
why.
is it-
That's why you
Was
gave.
this kit wasn't open already, or it was?
No, there it is.
Oh, you found it. Okay.
Don't we just? Doop. We'll figure it out.
Real quick here. Oh, you already got it on there. Okay.
How about that?
All right,
Done.
there it is.
Roadster pickup.
Nice. All right. Joseph?
To end the video?
No, I want him to judge real fast.
Oh, what do you think?
Oh, there's Joseph right here.
This
Got the
is tough.
guitar going.
I'm judging the cars.
Joseph, I'm your dad, okay?
Yeah.
You've cost me a
I've
lot of
lost.
money. You've cost me a lot of money throughout the years. I need you to tell me which one looks the best.
All right. Well,
Whichever one.
First of all, like yours does have a paint job on it, so yes, the body looks better. But as far as like the hot rodness,
I
about it, I
agree.
do like.
I agree too.
I like that.
I really like the wheels
And it does look
the,
slammed.
the stance. Yeah, pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
Almost as cool as that Corvette.
No, that Corvette. That paint job is amazing for.
Look at that.
Oh, it does wheelies.
It
not
does.
well. It doesn't have a driver.
Let's see. And, no
Go
wheelies.
figure.
No wheelies. Look at this.
No, it doesn't.
This one does. All right. Anyway, hey man, that was cool. Thank you, Tim. I didn't want to.
Thank you, Matthew. This is fun. Hey, everybody that doesn't build,
I didn't want to do this. Actually, I told Heather, like yesterday, I was like, he's gonna want me to build a darn like this. No, I'm not gonna do it. But
there's
it was
something.
fun.
There's something
It was
about
fun.
building a model.
it was actually gratifying to like build one in 2 hours and 50. It was less than 2 hours and 15 minutes because we were done before he showed the time a while ago. But yeah, no, it was fun. Typically, y'all don't do any paint or anything.
We have
That's
been
right,
doing
because
this.
you went out at Acme and sprayed.
I did.
Yeah, you
paint
sprayed.
some- I did.
Or
paint.
somebody sprayed it for you. Mike sprayed it for you. Or somebody. Didn't Mike go out and
I
spray it
can't
for you?
remember. What are you talking about?
Outlaw?
What are you
Didn't-
talking about? I have no idea.
He
what
came
you're
back
talking
in-
about.
yeah, I think he sprayed
I
it for
think
you.
he's making stuff up now.
Anyway.
But here's the
fun.
thing: we're about building models, and so get to the bench, build a model.
It's fun.
It doesn't have to be anything.
Yeah,
I mean,
you can literally
two
take
2 hours.
2 hours.
2
yeah.
hours, and you got something cool.
And
And,
it-
get some stuff from this. I couldn't have built this without my MCV products, so
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
where
yeah.
to get those.
He went in there and started like, what I want, what I want, what I want.
No, I told him to go.
I'm
get
sending
it.
him a bill after this too.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And hey, don't forget mcvproducts.com if you do want some cool stuff.
Yeah. He's got
3D
cool
printed
stuff,
So I don't have the double blower, but I could.
You could.
Anyway.
I gave him a couple.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, anyway, from Tim Custom and Matt, Model
I
Car
know,
Videos and MCV Products and
And
all
Tim
that stuff.
Custom Models.
Yeah. Take care, guys. We'll see you.
All right.
Take care. Bye. Good.